for Andra Yawa say and I'm breaking news na travel say men's gold customers be abbodumping ekogu na mo anfie na police for the West Swift wo mu drew what say asem no wo mo eko arrest wo mo not knowing asem the clan no na bigger than say na me report ye na nanse na beto aso no subscribe na click the notification bell no and no and that screen so sisia we na say latest news be aba wonsa ebeka quickly etie for yenko ensem ni mu Andra I actually had to do some digging to find the details of the matter. Na me ya digging me hu say wo mo be board on pem ebegu na mo anfie no eye nkrofo a ebi mu efri takwa ebi mu so efri Kumasi and other parts of Ghana wo mo nkasa organize wo mo ho efa VIP cars a wo mo be si won kran etie for ebi mu pie ye no kire say enyama wo mu di bedware ene enyama nia wo mu omunkuku nkaka nia wo mu abone ano tofa edi ekuku omu bag mu ebi mu kita Ghana must go ebi mu bo eye backpack e the entire a wo mu be hye wo mu support semina nini na agu bag mu a wo mu se wo mu be da na mo anfie ho se wo afa sika na mo a wo mu ne no ebedware e wo fie ho edidi aye bibia wo fie ho until se wo betua wo mu na video ba ko bi so am hu ye I think it was from Joy FM nkrofo ekogu na mo anfie nimpe etiefo na enye easy na I'll speak on some things I saw as nkrofo ekogu na mo anfie nim ho any reporter yensan so aka and as victims no and ye beka say as the police arrested them no mo mpanyin bi so ababonte den sem bi abeto jante meboso achemu na munya mo hu de eko. What I saw from the video no enkofo no board on pem ekogu na mo anfie nim ho ene bi mu sha se omusu na ebi mu da fom esu se na na pia men se famisi mamio ebi mu so wo mo kikem wo mo bubefu wo mo meye interviews wo mo ye interview na ehwa na me ti se gunshot na mo anfie ho ena me ti se etio bi toto it I heard like 3 or 4 gunshots. And not crying about the confirm say indeed it was a gunshot from Namuan Fio Hose now mushu to deter the people. Now Grofona Babontia were more say Namuan and meaning maybe a political and propaganda talk. But say Namuan and not air to tune, but me are very sure say Ediana and Namuan bodyguard and Bibi and a wall to tune. I'm not sure say Namuan Nakasana no wall to tune. But gunshot no put your meme say na me hu se motofuo bi macho men bi ekuso wo mo so quickly wo mo aba na mo anfie ho abegina gate na no se wo mo guard na mo an ni gate na no na say yes ngofo afre for reinforcement inti anche macho men ne bai na anche na me hu se police fo so aba ho na police fo ne de wo mo ba ho no wo mo de ebufuo so na wo mo san so the cars bebre bai we must also effort for reinforcement because we be do on mu say customers are abebo don pe abegina na mo anfie ho no we mo pro 100 intina police for na we say we mo de more cars eba na ho na me hu say afei men's gold customers no we mo be dwane no we mo dwane echi for na enye easy o we mo be dwane na afei police for use shockers sa electric shock na your friend taser no mo de tasing crofo omo atese wo mo beji asumbo nso eji na afi yesi so wo mo egu police wo kan nim na me say sa say me serious say na reason na police wo ka say wo mo chi nkrofo we ni say Ghana ha say me mpre asa say wo pese wo ye demonstration na bibi say ya e wo say wo bebo police wo na mane na wo de wan bo police wo na mane eno na say mo abase mo ho abegina na mo anfie nim say mo ye de you are disturbing the public peace. It's against the public order. It's against the laws. Mbra, what Ghana has in the side, no, it's Ghana mbra. Into the police for no musu say they have a reason to arrest these people. Me the name say bro. The police arrested over 150 customers. Womoko na mo anfie say womoko ji omusika. And the breaking news car air back and they say Ochena police for the Sancroft way ekojina court. Etiefo enye easy. Just say yeah the charge no echo bomb. Say be wuti fie edi abreho. Say usika akokem. Ebia wo de wadwin mu no wo ba se wo be dan nipa ko ne ka agi usika no. And then the bia di we koduni. Police for ede wo ekojina court. ama court di asem isi a wo ko gina court wo nim si ye ko chi watu mo si ye sanso da ma wetu afan no mi ken wo ni sika eni na we be gina ho se wo be ji usika yi ye sanso the fine ekoto so a obesi de itia nya de say double trouble. The reason why you came munya ekran kan ka obeti na fie adwen wo ho wo mo a wo mo be ji police beating no mo ji police beating ebi mo so edwane ebi mo de say na police for na dey force e ba no yes ebi mo no mo ho ha into wo mo de easy step o wo mo ebi mo dwane ye fast ebi mo dwane yo wo mo free mo fast etiefo eno ene arewo sema eba nti yati sansem ne say police for action crofui police for the crofui ko tumu police for your madwen say wo mo de crofui be court na message dabi we there. It seems the police are taking this matter very, very serious. I'm not saying that they are not supposed to take this matter very serious, but I said, same year, Ghana police in same see one more reacting. No, this one there is different. It's not ever same issue. Na me who say ne crack. Police for IABB say ya. It's me issue na me ko who say ne crack. Police penny. Woye PRO, woye police kasama for ono no kasama police asem sia e ma Greater Accra region no. Ye friend ASP Efiatenge, me sure say what in dinda. Very popular ASP Efiatenge. Me kwate ya ASP Efiatenge any Star FM4 atwetwe nkomo e na wo tro mo say ne crack. Ya chi san krofo na omo kogu na na pia mensa ni fie ho na enya agro. Na ye diomo court. Ono put the okay say they will be arraigned before court today. Not to say and me put the news na meti and na see ochina. But we know the okay no was say and there ye the omo court. Hey, police penny aden ye the omo court aden was ye. Wo mu tia mbra. And I say eh it is a Ghana mbra ye to meet disuffinchins ha. And I to me penny a man crofo be said in prediasa. Womutia Ghana mbra ye nyo mo hwe. Na customers ne de asemba akopɛ na wo mo ka. Wo mo se wo mo pa president Akufo-Addo chow. Asemwe ba ye no Akufo-Addo ba bonte be ka sa asemwe de won kan bi. Won fa na no mbehiem. Te say other ones ne ba ya wonu Akufo-Addo de ne hu kohiem mu say banks igu ne nyama wo de ne hu kohiem o say asemwe de won fa na no kohiem. Customers say president Akufo-Addo yesrew se waye wadin sa won fa wa no kohiem no yesrew wo de ya no yeto abama o yesrew asemwe de be ke bi man. Na say ye be di yesika echi na enu ti ama police fa chi atum ama yesan so ede yen ebe court ye ni sika ye de ko fa lawyer na penny ba ko a wono I think say woni Accra radio and Accra FM say na FM no woni Accra FM for etwetwe nkomo de o kan say wono de wonti police for na ase wo say wono de na nko wonim no 7 prediasan will be airport then will be cano because Jesus said if you are the pakono just give him the pakono hono one can't police for it's in the pakono in channel no who say wo kwagini sike free obi ho a then na police for sisi amoba beka say ni pakono nanke wo say wo ba police for abeje nkrata ansa na moma ne ho kwan say won ko ni pakono fie nko dan nka wo munsu ni pefe say wo ba police for ne ho tremo say moma yen krata moma ntumi anakrata tumi bia ebema yakona mo anho akodi yesika na nka momfa emma no enti men's gold for no there wo mo say assemble a AC they believe that the government is behind this now wo mo there eyade na wo mo te say oh it's a brain the government is behind government assured they protecting and appear mensa but they didn't want to believe. But same way AC they believe that the government is behind because when we go do hona na say na appear mensa free police for anche in the 5 minutes. Obeti ahwe police we be go. And they say police we be go no so the police in keto in penifo ankasa. Not just say they have links, they know nam one. Some in pray there's an uncle will pia ni sika nkofo sika be di ni hose na ka police for mobile. Na ka mo dia mo nyese mo ni customers ka kasa ma customers no wo mo nsan wo mochi ebi amoni obo kasa na wonso mo mpania na mo aye de mo beye na mo de mo du ho na mo ahya sese mo bo customers na tre say you were coming with a preconceived notion say customers no wo asem nye de na so mo susu say police for na ka mo ba ho e na ka mo ni omo betwetwe nkomo e na se be na ka mo kan say okay yate mo asem mo de mo nkwa na ka ebi a wo mo beti ase na mo de mo du ya wo mo ombebo asum ebo asum omo be yusu taser yusu na mudu ho mo ahya sese mo chichi nkrofo atum eno nso e kasan eno ne nsama e koso mo ntwa mo adwon comment box mo chiefo me da ase